So hello everyone, and let's start our analysis. It's already around 6:15 in the morning, and I think the name of this series should change, like from Midnight Markets to something like Opening Bell. Well, let's decide it later. Let us start with our analysis. So let's switch on to daily chart. Okay, so we got a nice green bar over here inside this body, which is kind of a bullish army. I don't know if it will work or not because on weekly chart we have a symbol of weakness over here, and I think that the week will end in red actually. And when you come in daily, I think that this will get negated, but only when this high of previous bar, which is around 24516 on futures, will get taken out. Because uh, many sellers must be having their stop losses over here, and on yesterday's session, many must have placed the stop losses over here too. So I think that these first should be taken out. Then we will have some short kind of setup that we can trade. Uh, what I am expecting for short trade is we get to go above this level and close somewhere around here with larger volumes, I think, which will say that more activity has happened over here after the breaking of stop loss region of bears. Then it will be much more conducive and uh, this correct move that has happened, uh, this actually showed some strength in the background, but I couldn't take the trade or hold it because there was weekend in the middle and I didn't want it to take so much decay in options. That's why I just cut my position somewhere over here because I got a red signal over here too. So I exited my longs around here on Friday. I would have nice points, but nevertheless, let's move on. Here also many stop losses are pending over here, so I think they will be hunted down. Similar condition I think will play out over here. We will close somewhere here and with larger volumes, which will show that more activity has happened over here and change of hands has also occurred, which will be very uh, conducive signal for us to go short. I don't know, for long I'm not getting any. For long I'm not getting any conviction. Now let us move to S&P. It's just hovering over here. I don't have any view for it for now because what will you say in such market? Yeah, one thing is to make sure that we are having a red signal over here. So maybe this is the start of some distribution kind of thing, and we can see some downside move in S&P. Uh, yeah, but Dow Jones need to reach this region for getting proper shots. But in smaller time frames, we have already started to see such red bars. So US market looks pretty weak over here. And yeah, same with the Nasdaq. It's weak over here. Weak buyers. Now selling has started. So yeah, just be careful in the US markets. Now let us move to Brent crude. Okay, it has again started to move in, and you remember what we discussed here. Yeah, so we are approaching this weak region. Major thing to watch is in this wick region if we can get a long signal or not. because in this wick region, if we get a long signal, then it will be very much effective. That's what I think. Uh, 30 minutes, I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, hourly, it can go further down. Yeah, it can go further down. No doubt about that. Uh, that's what Brent crude is. We can see further downside over here, but in this big region, just be careful if you get some kind of long setup. Okay. Hmm. So it's holding over here, and if you will see the RSI, there is divergence over here. So I think the RSI divergence will actually fail over here, and we will see further upside. Because in the weekly analysis too, I told you that the bears tried to pull it down, but they were unable to close at the bottom of this bar. So I think that they are no longer in control, and bulls will take it up. And I think this move will be fierce. The move which you call, I think, the blow off top type of thing, that is starting to happen right now. We can witness the blow off top type of thing in a few days. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So don't go short in gold. It's only long for now. Let us move to dollar index. Hmm. It's not going to fill the gap. Hmm. I think. Uh, but how can it happen like that? There are stop losses pending over here at 19.680. There are still stop losses pending. I think we will get there no anytime soon. Uh, so you can mark these levels too. Uh, we need to fill the gap before we go down actually. So I think that this down move is actually fake. Be careful in dollar index. Yeah, the major trend is downside till now. But first it should fill this gap. I'm not comfortable without filling this gap and going down. Uh, Now let us move to crypto. Uh, I'm feeling sleepy, so yeah, just do it fast. Uh, we are hovering over here only. Uh, okay. Uh, oh, this level should be taken out first, I think. Yeah, because here the buyers are no longer showing that strength. They need to pull it down a little bit to attract some weak bears or something. Then they can go up again. So I think that this wick of what's the low? Okay. 92700. So I think that this low should be taken out first uh, to kick out the weak bulls. Then we can have some weak bears coming in over here, and then we will kick them out by going up again. That's what the analysis in Bitcoin says. Now let us move to Ethereum. Again, it's just sideways over here. Uh, you know what troubles me the most? Like when we see such kind of breakouts, and then after breakout, we are too much like uh, hovering over here. It makes me a little bit worried, but let's see what happens. On 4 hours, maybe we can go down till here because of Bitcoin going down there too. But Not too much weakness I'm expecting in this. But yeah, there are many weak buyers which are accumulated over here. So a strong move downwards is expected to liquidate all the longs. So I think you should not be long now at this point. Maybe let it come a little bit down, then try to have some longs. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and trade wisely. Thanks.